welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the FINDERS&CO dummy solar security camera. This is a fake surveillance system that looks realistic and is designed to deter intruders without the cost of a real camera. Let's dive into the features and see if it's worth your money. First off, the standout feature is the integrated solar panel. This camera is solar powered, meaning it can charge its rechargeable batteries, not included, during the day if placed in a well-lit area. It also uses 2 AA batteries as backup for nighttime or cloudy days. Important note, you must use rechargeable batteries for outdoor use, as regular batteries can't store electricity and may damage the camera. Next, the camera mimics real security cameras with convincing LED lights that flash every 2 seconds. It's designed to look like an active recording device. The package also includes a warning sticker to further deter potential burglars. Installation is straightforward. The camera comes with a fully adjustable mounting bracket and stainless steel screws. You can mount it on a wall or ceiling without any wiring. It takes just a few minutes to set up. Now let's talk about the build quality. The camera feels solid but is made of plastic. It's meant for indoor or outdoor use. But for outdoor, ensure you use rechargeable batteries and place it where it gets sunlight. One thing to note, the camera is entirely fake. It doesn't record or stream video. It's purely a deterrent. If you need actual security footage, this isn't for you. But if you want a low-cost way to make your home look monitored, this could be effective. In terms of value, the price is very affordable compared to real cameras. It's a cost-effective solution for visible deterrence. The solar panel adds convenience, reducing battery changes. Overall, the FINDERS&CO dummy solar security camera is a solid choice for those wanting a realistic dummy camera with solar power. It's easy to install and maintain. Just remember to use rechargeable batteries. If you're looking for a cheap security illusion, I'd recommend it. That's it for today's review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews.